Well, thanks, Sweety Cinnamini. Did I just turn out the light on you? Just turn out the light on you. That's what he's back there. I know he's back there. Dad loves you. Oh no! It's going to bite Daddy. Oh no! We'll take that hand out of there just in time. Come on, little Sweety Cinnamini. Get on back there. Yeah, good little bird. Yeah. Okay, buddies, let's see something. You get back there. You get back there with Mama Heis. Sweety Cinnamini. Sweety Cinnamini. There's a hungry bird. Sweety Cinnamini, I want to see you push by like you did yesterday. Can you do that for me? Can you push by there? Okay, fine. Alright, we'll put you back there. Ah, he is. You like that with my little baby. That's my baby. Hey! Come on now. Come on now.